Baltit Fort is a historical fort located in the Hunza Valley of Gilgit-Baltistan, Pakistan. The fort has a rich history that dates back over 700 years. Originally, the Baltit Fort was constructed around the 8th CE, but it underwent several renovations and expansions over the centuries. The structure we see today mainly dates back to the 16th century. It was the residence of the Mirs of Hunza. The architecture of Baltit Fort is a beautiful blend of Tibetan and Central Asian styles. It served both as a palace for the Mirs and as a defensive stronghold for the region. The fort is built on a strategic location, offering panoramic views of the surrounding valleys and the Hunza River. In the 20th century, the ruling family moved to a new palace, and Baltit Fort fell into disrepair. However, in the 1990s, the Aga Khan Trust for Culture initiated a major restoration project. The fort was carefully renovated, preserving its historical and cultural significance. Today, it stands as a symbol of Hunza's rich history and architectural heritage. Visitors to Baltit Fort can explore its various rooms, courtyards, and the unique architectural features that reflect the cultural influences of the region. The fort also hosts cultural events and exhibitions, providing a deeper understanding of the history and traditions of the Hunza Valley. Hunza Autumn Tour is the most exciting tour in the Hunza, Pakistan. At the end of the summer season in September, the orchards start changing color like a bridegroom with the colorful dress of her wedding day. These fantastic changes bring a glorious transfusion into the human body, which gives happiness and pleasure.